Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare ARKK with ARKG. I'm going to compare expense ratio, the holdings, also the performance of both, and I'm going to show you and test like how much you would make if you would be investing into ARKK and how much money you would make if you'd be investing into ARKG. Also, if you have other ETFs that you are interested in, share it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to make comparison video or review video. Also, I created a course on how we can make money with ETFs, so I definitely recommend check it out down below in the description. Without further ado, let's start. Here we are, ARKK and ARKG, both by same share of course, and expense ratio is both same. Then you see that ARKK got more assets under management and average daily volume is much higher. ARKG got 53 holdings, 45 ARKK. Now when we go even further, we will check the performances, and this is something that I will get in. You can see that ARKK was performing last month better, ARKK 3 months also better, and like 3 years back ARKG was performing better, but right now it's like the performance is not that great. And let me show you the differences here. So what are the main differences between these two? ARKK and ARKG. ARKK is a disruptive innovation ETF. It focuses on companies that can I don't want to say change the world, but you know what I mean. That can influence the markets. And you can see it in like Tesla, Unity Software, Roku, Zoom Video, Spotify, Shopify, Square, and many more. And on the other hand, with ARKG, when we come here, companies with ARKG are focused and are expected to benefit from extending and enhancing the quality of human and other life by incorporating technological and scientific developments, bioinformatics, targeted therapeutics, molecular diagnostics, stem cells, etc. Now, you can see clearly that the performance is goddamn great from 2019 to 2020. The growth was crazy. But right now, not so much. But let's compare something now and look at the companies right now. Teladoc, Exit Science, Pacific, Fate Therapeutics, Twist Bioscience. So there's up to you which one you would choose, but I want to show you one comparison which is really great. When I'm going to compare the ARKK with ARKG, and now 100, and let's say that initial amount is going to be $10,000, and both we are going to invest let's say, let me show you. Okay, let's say that we would be investing in 2018 both. What do you say about that? Okay, we start 2018 both, and let's see how well it's going to perform. 2018, and we are going to contribute fixed amount of $100 and monthly. And now let's review, analyze portfolios, and look at this. So right now we can see that if we if we invested $40,000, $10,000, and monthly we'll be investing $100 on portfolio 1, which is ARKK, we would make $44K at this point. On the other hand, ARKG 41,000. So as you can see, the difference is not that really huge because both are performing really well. And you see right here 2019, 2020, but right now 2021 we would lose money. On the other hand, ARKG was performing really great here, 2020 and 2019. And you also see the returns here. So 1 year would be better just with portfolio 1 with ARKK, comparing to 3 years and full. Both are great ETFs that you can invest to, but you need to understand they are active managed. This is not like copying NASDAQ, so therefore the expense ratio is higher. The management fee is comparing to leveraged ETFs, I would say. And this is pretty much it. So this is ARKK versus ARKG. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support. Definitely check the course down below in the description. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.